Hey man, we here. This is gonna be my first video on the channel, feel me? That's me and Mar. I'm here with my boy Bambino, feel me? My boy Dan.
You know the vibes.
Ray tried the sandwich. We tried this shit yesterday. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, feel me? But
shit smack.
it do snack. But I ate that shit fast as hell, so I gotta try it again.
I haven't tried the spicy yet. That's what I'm trying to look for.
See, yesterday I didn't eat it spicy. I had a classic because they didn't give me the sauce. They didn't give me the red, so I had the white sauce. Feel me?
Oh, I thought the spicy was the
sauce of
like it was just like they
spicy chicken. Yeah, no, I think it's the
it's the sauce.
I think so. I took out the pickles up.
Oh, wow. But I think they might have gave us
sandwich. That shit's sexy as hell, bro. That shit is beautiful.
Alright, yo.
Let's take this first bite. This
shit fat as hell.
Alright, fuck this shit. Wait.
Hold up, cause I don't like pickles. Gotta take the pickles out. I don't bang with pickles like that. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me cause I ain't tried yet. What's this, man?
No, this one is better than Chick-fil-A, 100%. Yesterday, I ain't believe it because it wasn't the one I had yesterday.
That's what I'm trying to say.
This one is better than Chick-fil-A, stamp.
Like Popeyes is more like juicier. Like you taste all the flavors, right?
And it's crunchy and it's bigger. Like
yeah, like Chick-fil-A, it's the right amount, but the seasoning is not there. Like you feel me? This one.
Because white people want Chick-fil-A, black people want Popeyes. That's why. Keep it 100. I'm sorry, I don't want to be racist to my white viewers out here.
But this shit,
oh my god,
like you really taste the juice. Like you really taste all the flavors coming out this joint.
And sometimes with Chick-fil-A, the spicy chicken, you can't tell the spicy the regular. Like this, you can taste the spice. It's not like bad or nothing. Like
see, I don't taste the spice yet, but like I had, see, just to show y'all. I don't taste it yet. Yeah, I should have too, cause I don't really taste it as much. I thought it was gonna be, you know, it was gonna hit me. But it's really good. It's really good.
And yeah, for all, if you feel me, yeah, we got bags for me. For everybody that's in Jersey that's watching this shit, y'all know what's up. We got our bags for me. Alright, go. Oh my god.
I'm coming out with my channel soon. Yeah, this shit smacked up.
But this shit dang, no cap. Oh my god. Chick-fil-A, y'all done fucked up. I mean, y'all still the ghost for me. Chick-fil-A, y'all still the ghost for me. It don't change nothing, but this shit smack.
I feel like they're there. I feel like they both there. You feel me? But if I had to pick, I think I might have to go with Popeyes.
Stamp, me too. Only thing is Chick-fil-A service is crazy. That's the thing. Like Popeye, you see how the nigga talk to us and shit. Chick-fil-A, that nigga would have came. Somebody would have came and sucked our meat or some shit. We got the wrong order. They be wild. I ain't fucking with the strawberry.
That's the only thing they had. They had better service.
And they sauces too. The Chick-fil-A sauce.
I'm sorry. I think I would have to go with it. Popeyes. Popeyes got it. I'm hoping they don't do this shit again where they take it off and don't put it back into.
They said it's gonna stay now. That's why they had that little 2-month break. That's supposed to stay.
Good.
Here's 500. Got an interview with Target.
This shit. If you ain't get one, you need to get one. It's worth it. I'm telling you right now. This shit is worth it.
It's cheap, and we got an extra sandwich on accident.
Yeah, we got an extra one. We got 5 instead of 4.
Yeah, bro. Let's talk about your love life. Give me something to talk about.
Right now I'm single, you feel me? For any of y'all ladies that want to hit me up, Instagram is only Bambino.
It's gonna be up on the screen.
Yeah, with a 0 at first. Fucking, yeah, I'm single, you feel me? These females be playing.
He's a fucking whore.
Not even. These females
don't hit him up, he's going to break your heart.
Hell no.
You're gonna be crying, you're gonna introduce him to your mom and everything.
Hell no. I would treat you right.
He fuck around, fuck your mom too.
I cook. I had a car, I don't got a car, but I still drive. I get around.
Yeah.
Feel me?
He be where he gotta be.
I clean. What you talking about? I got a job.
He got a job.
No kids.
All benefits too.
Yeah, no kids. That union, you feel me? I'm under the union, you feel me? Fucking, yeah, I do it all, you feel me? Good dick, you feel me? Bougie as hell.
Fuck that shit.
I'll spoil your ass too, you feel me?
Man, hit my mans up. Fuck the bullshit, hit my mans up.
You know the vibe.
He putting on for the Popeyes. He giving them a good name.
I like my morenas too, you feel me? I like my black girls.
Black is beautiful.
I don't know about my mommies like that, but I like them too.
Mommies ain't shit.
They not.
No girl or shit except my girl or my girlfriend.
To all my exes, suck my dick.
If I used to fuck with you, suck my fucking dick, you ugly bitch. I hate you.
Talk that shit, cuz.
Burn in fucking hell and die,
Wait,
bitch.
what happens if we got little kids watching our shit?
I don't give- fuck them kids. If you a kid, you shouldn't be on this channel. I'm gonna let you know right now.
Right. This shit ready to be rated R.
Yeah, when it's a rated R channel. If you like less than like 14, I'll say 14 because that's like freshman. Get the fuck off the channel.
If y'all can get this shit to at least 100 likes, I'll shoot this nigga with a paintball gun. Even if he fucks me up, I don't care. I'll shoot him with a paintball gun. On everything I love.
Y'all get this video 1 like and I'll smack the shot this nigga for free. Get this shit 1 like, 1 comment.
I swear to God, on everything I love, y'all really get this video to 100 likes, and now I really will shoot him with a paintball gun. My man Steven got one and everything.
No. Steven, I'll smack shot you too. If you're watching this, I'll smack shot you too, bitch. Better not. But let me get the other sandwich.
Which one?
Classic one. This is the right one. Oh yeah, by the way, we got 2 sandwiches each. And then, what's it called? You got the extra one, that's his.
It's worth it.
This is the one I had yesterday, because it has the white sauce. That's why, I was eating that shit, I'm like, yo, this shit not spicy at all. Like.
Nah, I'm dead serious though. 100 likes, or even like 50. I'll do it. You gotta do it for your family, man. You gotta do it for the YouTube. You gotta do it, man.
I ain't fuck with them that much, shit. They started bugging.
At least once you gotta let me shoot you if you really get that many likes. You get to pick wherever you want me to shoot you.
It has to be on my skin.
Yeah.
100 likes, I'll let him shoot me. My chest. Shirtless.
You don't think it's gonna hurt right there the most?
It will. That's the point. I'm giving you 100 likes.
You heard him. 100 likes, I get to shoot him.
It's like a buggy, man.
That shit gonna be lit. Imagine me shooting you with Joey's gun. That shit gonna penetrate. Fuck all of that.
That's that aerosol shit. That shit gonna kill me. Oh my God. Y'all see how fat this sandwich is though? Like,
And it's actually like
and crispy and like
chicken. It's not fat. It's all chicken.
yeah. This shit, dang. Like that shit.
In my opinion, I think it's better than Chick-fil-A. Comment below. You decide which one you think is better. But Chick-fil-A, I don't know. Popeyes is beating y'all right now with this.
Oh my God, it's just like.
The only difference ain't Popeyes like more expensive. Well, nah, it's the same.
It's about the same. Yeah.
Actually, I think Chick-fil-A is a little expensive. By 10 cents.
A little bit. Not much though.
Woo. But it's not that spicy.
Yeah. It's just spicy enough. You gotta ask for extra sauce when you get it though. If you like spicy, ask for extra sauce. That shit gonna smack.
Yeah, because it's not as spicy. I thought it was gonna be like their chicken tenders. Like I thought it was gonna be breaded into the
What's it called?
the jar.
Only thing, no, Chick-fil-A got better sauce. They sauce is Chick-fil-A sauce. And I don't like Polynesian people.
I'm sorry,
like
y'all can
Polynesian.
call me listy as shit, but I don't fuck with sauce. I don't put no sauce on my chicken, like my chicken tenders, none of that shit. You feel me? It's not me. It's just I don't know. It's not me. You feel me? He feel me.
I don't like Chick-fil-A sauce.
I never even tried it, to be real with you.
What the fuck? I had the car running this whole time. Like I got gas up there.
Yeah, I haven't tried the Chick-fil-A sauce. Oh, we should definitely make one with Chick-fil-A, comparing them at the same time. I think we should have done that.
So, let's do it now. I'm satisfied.
Me too.
Like, I'm actually getting full, like, and I've only half done this one. This shit's like, it's a lot of food.
From
And
1 out of 10?
We didn't touch the fries. The fries was holding up. The box of fries was holding up for him.
From 1 out of 10, I think I'm gonna have to go with like a 9.
9.5.
Like with the spicy one. Cause I feel like it could be a little bit better. But I like the texture. Like it's crunchy. You feel me?
This is dead ass. The biscuit they eat like in the bucket. This is what this is. It's a little softer though.
It's good.
That's why this shit good. Like this shit. Oh my God.
I can't complain. like I said, to all my exes out there, suck my dick, and if y'all got a nigga, they can suck my dick too. Shoot them the fuck up. No cap.
He ain't my man. How you fuck with that nigga like that?
Hold up, cause his pipe went through my nose. Yo, look. That shit went through my nose.
I don't want to shoot this nigga. It's not my business. I don't fuck with him, bro. I'll tell you right now.
Look, I'm dead ass, bro. That Sprite coming out my nose.
I ain't shooting nobody. I mean,
he made me laugh. That's my day one.
That's more facts. It's like my son.
Alright, he dragged me. Damn, that's nasty, bro. That shit nasty as hell. And you caught that on camera too. You see me tweaking?
Bro, this shit made me want to go to sleep, bro. I can't even like laugh. Like this shit got me tired. Y'all know when y'all eat at the itis?
Damn, this lighting is real good.
What we do? Shit bang, but I got the itis. Like this shit.
Yeah, but I'm coming out with my channel soon. So he gonna shout me out eventually whenever I come out with it. I'm gonna be doing a lot of DUIs, pranks, especially on him.
Man, not pranking me.
So stay tuned. I'm telling y'all, stay tuned. Y'all gonna fuck with it.
I can't even see no more. This shit.
This gotta be the
thumbnail.
Like yeah, like that. Gotta be tough.
Now y'all know we gotta get thumbnail. 11:3.
You done?
I can't even talk right now. Bro, fuck.
It's really good.
That shit, man, y'all. But we gonna end this shit right here, man. You can follow him on the gram. It's gonna be up there. You can follow me on the gram.